Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I got a check engine light code P0441 on a Tucson, 2005 Tucson. So we're going to check it out and find out what the problem is. All right, I'm going to actually show you the scan process. Show you exactly what it came up with. Well, there you go, right there. P0441. And that's the emission system's purge valve solenoid. Okay, so that's generally located around the throttle body. It's going to be tight on this car. Got the feeling between the firewall and the throttle body and intake and stuff. All right, we know where to start now. We'll start first. I have to get back here, so I think I'm just gonna take all this stuff off. This will give me a little more room. Maybe I can see something in there. I've actually never done this procedure on this engine before, or this type, but they're usually all basically the same. Place them in the same location. All right, here we go. Starting out, we just got these 4 clamps here we're gonna get off. And then I'm gonna disconnect here. Pull this connection off, and then just disconnect there from the throttle body and just pop this whole thing off. See what we got going. All right, take all this out the way there, cleaning stuff. This is it right here. Let's see, right here. That's the wire connections, and then you got a hose. It's going right in the back and on the other side. I try to, yeah, that's it right there. All right, let's tear into it. First thing you want to do is disconnect the little wiring harness. You got this little clip. Pull down on it. And it should release. Gotta get a good grab. Kind of tough. All right, there we go. Get this little clip. Don't want to lose it. And you can pull the harness right off. Disconnect. Unplug it. Just want to disconnect this hose. Plugs right into it. A little wiggle. Comes right off. All right, here goes the unit here. Basically, all I did was I pulled it off the hose, which was fastened, so it was easier to pull it off, and then I'm gonna put my new unit in to this little bracket system here. Let me get you the new one. All right, hand me the one, Reed. Thanks, buddy. This is the new valve. Basically, it's gonna slip right in there. Plug this in, pop that in, and we should be good to go. All right, we got the purge solenoid back in place. It was pretty much just a matter of sliding the end of the open hose onto the solenoid, and then the bracket and everything lined up. And it was easier since we hooked the wires on out here. So let's put everything else back together and see what's going on. All right, you can see everything's back on here. Cover, got 4 fasteners. Usually just 4 fasteners, disconnect the connector here, and that 1 hose clamp. So, got the cover back on. Throw these back in, then we can try it out. Everything look good. Checking the light is out. So like normal, guys, thanks for viewing. And don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks again.